Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is an exciting snack recipe. This is mushroom 65. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, we're going to prepare the batter. For this, I've taken 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 1.5 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add a little water and mix everything together. So I have 200 grams of mushrooms. I've washed them clean. I'm just going to add that into the batter. If you do want to add the coloring agent, you can add a pinch. Make sure the mushrooms are coated well in the batter and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Take a small kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Gently drop the mushrooms into the hot oil. So there you go, for all the mushroom lovers. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. So do try and enjoy it. You can eat it as is. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.